How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we are going to talk about, why aren't we getting profits? And what is the main thing for me, at least, to why people, tend not to get some profits and just, fail to make those winning trades. But before we hit the charts, just go visit my website. It's on the bottom left corner over here, where you will find my previous analysis that I do weekends, some nice strategies, anything that you need from your trading. And if you are a beginner trader, there's some nice video categories there. Preferred brokers, one of the reasons why people don't get to make profits is because they are not working with reliable brokers, guys that's basically stealing them from their profits as well. So go check out my preferred brokers. These guys are brilliant, really reliable, somebody you can trust on. And when you trade, your money is safe. Okay, so let us hit the chart. So I've had multiple comments before, and guys saying that, they're watching my analysis every week, but they're still not getting into that profit zone, if I can say that, So what is the main thing for me? Why don't people become profitable in their trading? And I always say to guys, and I ask the questions, do you back test? Do you go back and test what you learn? Because it's easy to see or to look in the chart and to watch somebody else doing it, but you don't go and test it yourself. Okay, it's easy just to watch it and then, come the next week, it's like, okay, I'm going to implement that because I've seen it now once or twice. Don't, guys. I want you to, whatever you see on my channel, whatever I show you, I want you to go back and test it. What does it mean? It means going back on your charts every single day. Go back to every single day. Look for the setups that I'm showing you. Look where there's opportunities. Go back. He's got all these candles that you can test on. Okay, all of these. Go back and test your strategy. The more you back test, the more your brain will get trained to see, the strategy happening, the Fibonacci is happening, the fair value gaps happening. It doesn't matter what you're trading. It doesn't matter whose strategy you are trading. Go back and test the strategy every single day. I'm not saying go and spend 24 hours on the chart every day, because that's also one of the things that you're not supposed to do, is spend too much time on the chart. But just, simple little example. Okay, we are, this was my previous analysis on USDJPY. Okay, so we had, I always, after every analysis video that I make, I always give these two areas in the market that I'm just watching out for. Okay, and as we can see, this is, obviously this is still in consolidation, but a clear little entry that formed here was with the Fibonacci. So I'm just going to talk about the Fibonacci just today again. So you have a swing low, you have a swing high, price retracing to the 62%. That is as easy as can be. Look at that, a nice little entry. A lot of guys say, yeah, but that's an entry, but it's still in consolidation. That's not a big move upwards. So what do you want? Do you want to be profitable? Meaning, would you like to make a couple of pips, or would you like to be rich? Because if you are here to just, become a multimillionaire in trading overnight, this is not for you. Guys, when you are not a profitable trader, start back at the beginning. Take some pips. Forget about the money. Forget about the dollars you can make or whatever currency you are trading. Focus on getting a couple of pips behind your name or on your account. And don't worry about the amount of money that you're going to make. Focus on getting, even if it's 10 pips a day, 10 pips a trade, 2 pips a day, 2 pips a trade. If you have that positive trades behind your name, you can grow it and grow it steadily and steadily. And that is how you are going to become profitable. Simple little instance, this trade went up 83 pips. So depending on your lot size, depending on your account size and how big your trade, that could be a very profitable trade. Just that little move upwards, okay? That could be a very profitable trade. And if you go back to, like I said, back testing it, so you move back and you move back and you see another one, okay? Where's this other trade that you basically could have had some nice profits? Again, price going from a swing high to a swing low, okay? Swing high, price making a low, retracing back again to the 62%, and then that's another trade downwards. Oh, it's not a big trade, okay? So if you had to take that trade, you could have had 150 odd, 158, 160 pips trade down. Okay? Then you move back. So now you're back testing. You're back testing all these moves. Okay? You're looking for possibilities. You take this out. Okay? The more you test, let's just take the Fibonacci. Just take the Fibonacci this week. So what do you get here? You get a swing high. Okay? You get a swing low. You get a retracement. Brilliant. So let's test this. Swing high, swing low. Again, swing high, swing low. Retraces to the 62%. There you go. For those of you who can't see it, let's just zoom in a little bit. There's that candle pushed into that area. Right? Oh, but it's not a big trade. Okay. So you want just a couple of pips. There you go. There's another 100 pips. Done. Easy. That's all it takes. So then you go back again. Where's the next one going to be? Okay. This is actually all previous analysis that I've made. Every single time I make my previous analysis, we look at these entries. This is a small little entry. You have all these candles pushing up. You have some resistance. Price rates retracing back, making a high, making a low. Okay. Right. It's a low, it's a high, retracing to the 62% area. You always highlight that area. Bam. Nice little buy up. That 189 pips. So you retrace back. You go back into your charts because you are back testing it. Always, always, always back test your strategy. If you learn something new, if it's from me, if it's from another trader, another mentor, doesn't matter. If you learn something new, don't just go into the market and trade it straight away. Think this is going to be the next strategy that can make you profitable and make you rich and all that. Back test the strategy at least for a couple of weeks. Go back every day. Take the hourly time frame, take the 5 minutes, take whatever time frame, but go back every day. Just go back into the charts. Move your chart backwards. Look for those setups. Randomly just move it back. Stop the chart at a certain point and then just watch those candles. See if you can see the setup, because if you try and find it yourself, you will get better. Okay? Don't just look at what I'm doing. Don't just go back on your chart, also on the USDJPY, and exactly what I'm doing. Don't just do that and say, oh, okay, now I see it. No, go back to somewhere else, some other currency pair, some other day that I'm not showing you. Okay? Go back to that day and then try and find it yourself, because that is how you're going to train yourself to seeing it. Again, swing low, swing high, retracing back to the 62 to 79%. And this was a nice whopping trade. I'm not even going to, highlight it out because you can automatically see that's a big trade. Then you go back again. You go back. You go back. You just look for these entries. Okay. A lot of times these entries doesn't happen. Okay. So you need to mark that out. A little example. Okay. So let's just have a look. There's a swing low. There's a swing high. There you can see not retracing to the 62%. Okay. Makes sense. Doesn't happen all the time. Okay. So always look out for those entries. So then you go back. It's like, okay, what is happening here? So now we have a swing low. Okay, we have a swing high. We have a swing low, swing high. Okay, hang on. Price is going up. So you have a swing low over here. We have another swing high, swing low, swing high, retracing back to the 62%. Oh, brilliant. There's the entry. So that's how you start seeing them, guys. Because you're back testing, because you're training your mind to see these things happening. Then eventually, the more you train your mind and your brain to see these things, eventually you will have a clean chart without any lines, any indicators, nothing helping you. And you will see these things happening, sometimes without even tracing or sometimes without even pulling out that Fibonacci. You will be placing those trades. That is how good you can get from just training your mind to see these things on the charts happening. It's price action. It's all it is. That's one simple thing that I'm using here. It's a Fibonacci. That's all, guys. So, again, I'm going back to back testing. If you are not profitable in your trading, go and back test your strategy. You will thank me later. You will see that it works, The more you back test, the better you will get in your trading. So guys, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. I was just repeating myself every time because I need you guys to do this and I need you guys to be profitable. If you need any help, don't forget to comment in the comment section. I've got a Telegram group as well, or Telegram channel. Just go to my description, go visit that link, and there's a nice little chat group as well where we can just chat away and I can try and help you. So guys, I hope you've been having a wonderful, wonderful week. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. There's obviously more coming, or more content coming your way. So guys, have a blessed and awesome week ahead. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.